Alright, you guys, so we just got some Croc package in the mail. Check it out. And as you can tell by this little backdrop here, I think you guys already know what themed Crocs we got in this bag. First off, I am a little disappointed in how Crocs shipped these particular shoes here. There's 3 pairs of Crocs in here, and they sent it in this bubble mailer bag. I thought I would be getting a cool Demon Slayer boxes for each pair of Crocs, but I guess this is what it is, right? This is a unboxing slash unpackaging. Just in case we end up having to return these Crocs, I want to unpackage it. Alright, so I got it all opened up. And first things first, as you see coming out that package, oh snap, look at that. We got the Zenitsus right there. Oh, ho, ho. Coming out the package next, we have the Tanjiros. Hey! Don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, but we went and saw Demon Slayer on his first release, September 11th. 9/11 for you guys. Lastly, my babe, she got her pair. She got her the Nezuko's. Look at the little Nezuko. Look at those little shoes. And before we take these Crocs out of the plastic, shout out to the Kakashi Sensei Crocs. Check these ones out. Yeah, buddy. I be wearing these ones a lot. You can see they getting worn down. These were my first ever pair of Crocs, and I got these in particular because I really like the style of them. I am disappointed in myself that I did not pick up the Wu-Tang Crocs when they were first released. If they release another Wu-Tang themed, I will definitely hop on it. Alright, you guys, so here are the Nezuko's. Check it out, check it out. Not too shabby. You got the Tanjiro box right there that he carries Nezuko in. Got the little checkered parts at the back of the Crocs here. Could potentially be folded up like that, all cool. That's the cool way to rock Crocs, just like that. Got the bamboo muzzle detail. We got this right here. Not sure what this is. I think they could have did something different other than this little Jibbit right there. And not only that, but there's only 2 Jibbits on the Nezuko's. There's this one right there in the Tanjiro carrying case there. Inside of the Crocs right there. Got your Demon Slayer tag. Flip that one over and you got your Crocs little detail tag there. What's on the other side of the Demon Slayer tag though? Ah, it just says Demon Slayer Crocs. Okay. So there's our Nezuko's. Let's put these away and let's get out the Zenitsus. Bada bing with the Zenitsus. Excited for these ones. Later on, I might get the nose case, but for now, I just started off with the Zenitsus and the Tanjiros. Alright, so the Zenitsus didn't come with a little hanger tag, as you guys can see, as the Nezuko's did. Maybe because they're a little bit larger. Oh man, the Zenitsu ones are pretty fire, guys. Look at the back straps. Love how they did these adjustable back straps here. It's Velcro. You can adjust that length if you need to. That is nice. You got the little triangle pattern on that strap as well. That back strap is nice and foamy. These should be pretty comfortable. The bottom portion is like a dark brown color right there where you got some pops of yellow and orange. On the Zenitsu Croc, you get the cool Demon Slayer Jibbit. And you get his little bird that follows him around. And you also got his hand guard for his sword right there. Check that out. Pretty spiffy right there. Ooh, I didn't notice that. I don't know if it showed on the Nezuko's, but look at, you got the little Demon Slayer crest right there on that shoe. And you got Crocs right there on the other side. Ooh, these are fire, you guys. These are fire. Let's go ahead and put the Zenitsus away and check out the Tanjiros. Now, I'm really concerned about the Tanjiros because I was reading on all the reviews, and they say you want to get a size down from your usual Croc size. So that's what I did there. So we'll see if we can fit them. And for any of y'all thinking I didn't actually go to the Demon Slayer movie, check it out. I picked up the tin and everything. I'm going to keep going back to AMC Theater because AMC, they're supposed to have the cups, but they did not have the cups when I went to the premiere. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep bugging them until they get those dang cups. Because I want me a Zenitsu and Tanjiro cup. Yeah, boy. They do seem kind of big just looking at them. Check these out. I hope they're not too big. I got the men's 10. Hopefully that's a good size. The reason these Crocs are a little bit bigger is because these are not the same style as these 2 other Crocs back here. You see, there's not many spots where you can put any Jibbits, so you're really limited on your Jibbit space here. But you do get the Demon Slayer crest right there. You do get the little cap right there that follows Tanjiro around secretly. And you also got Tanjiro's handguard. This one seems kind of basic. I want to get a cool one on there. But guys, the pattern on here is nice and supreme right there. And check out the back strap. You got some detail in the back straps here, as you can see. I do want to try these one on, but before I try them on, check out the side You got that Demon Slayer logo right there. I wish I had these yesterday so I could have wore my Zenitsus when I went to see the movie. They do feel a little bit more snug on me because I always wear socks when I'm wearing my Crocs. Unless I'm wearing them out to like the pool or a beach type of setting. But if not, when I'm out and about, I always have some socks on when I'm wearing my Crocs. And before I forget, she got this little butterfly to go on her Nezuko Crocs. I think it'll work out very well.